Hi, in this video we're going to try to look at this area function we got from the first barn problem video and analyze it and maybe figure out where we can maximize the area. So in the last video we saw that the area was equal to -2 times the square of the height plus 90 times the height. And for the purposes of GeoGebra I'm going to change the variable for height to an x, but there won't be any real change in the function. So we'll get -2x squared plus 90x. And you'll notice that what I'm getting when I graph it isn't very useful. So I think back and I realize that that height, I couldn't let it be less than 0 or bigger than 45. In fact, at 0 and 45, the area would become 0. So, in fact, I should expect that this graph hits at 0 and 45. So let me change my axes so that the x-axis goes up to, well, it'll go a little past 45 to 50. And you already see, there's the other end, but it's still going way, way up high. So, I don't know, we'll just guess, try something really big, and then if it's wrong, we can fix it. So, I don't know, let's say the y-axis we can guess 2,000. All right, we'll see if that gives us the highest point. Sure enough. Okay, well 2,000 is really, really much higher than we need. Okay, so let's move this around a little bit, and okay. Now we get a pretty good picture here of our parabola. Looks like it actually stops more about 1,000. All right, well how can we find this point up here, right? Well, there's really two questions. Where's the max and where's the min? The min we're not going to have to worry about because this is a downward shaped parabola, so it's not going to have any min. It's just going to keep going down. But as a max point, well, we will get something up here. It's just not clear what it is. I mean, it looks like it's somewhere between 20 and 25. So let's take a peek how you might find it. Well, we know that if you choose a point on the curve and you draw a tangent through that point, right, that gives you the slope of the curve at that point. And if we move that up here, then we should be right at the very top when the line is flat. Right? Okay, so how can we tell? Well, if we peek over to the left, we can actually see the slope of the line. Right? There's the slope of our tangent line. And we just want to make that 0. Let's see. Well, we're a little too far. Okay, it looks like it won't let us make it exactly 0. That's as close as I can get, is having a slope of 0.04. But you see the a coordinate, I mean the x coordinate is 22.49. We're really close to 22.5. And then the y value, right, which represents the area, is 1,012.5. So that's a pretty good guess for what the max area you can make of that region bounded by the fence and the barn. It's going to be about 1,012 square feet. And it's going to be when the height is 22.5. Hopefully this is helpful.